It's getting cold now, and so is cold getting common. As the seasons change, many of us tend to get the common cold, cough, sore throat, sneezing, and even fever. You guys might have tried numerous remedies, this and that, but these small issues become a pain for a week or two, hampering the daily productivity. Their impact might be small, but if not treated properly, they often lead to viral fever, which then becomes frustrating. This is because a holistic approach is missing. Focus is only on the remedy, whereas overall lifestyle does not help, rather it aggravates the situation. But don't worry, in this video I am going to share with you a 3-step Ayurvedic routine which will cure your cold and cough related problems in half the time without using a single medicine. This is my go-to routine in cough issues and is explicitly mentioned in the ancient texts, so you can swear by its effectiveness. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. In the morning after you are up and fresh, it's time to execute step number 1 of this holistic routine, which is this. A powerful concoction to tap the root cause of all cough related issues. In a pan on a medium flame, put 1 glass of water. To this, add a little ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 to 5 crushed whole black pepper, a pinch of giloy extract, 7 to 8 crushed tulsi leaves, and mix well. Now it's extremely important that you cover the pan and let it boil and boil until the water remained is about 1/4 of a glass. The reason why it should be covered is to trap the medicinal fumes of the concoction in the container. Since it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to boil, meanwhile you can get ready for the day. Once you are ready, your powerful concoction will also be ready. Turn off the gas and using a strainer, put it in a glass. Add a teaspoon of honey and a few drops of lemon to it. Now this mix is more effective than any pill or antibiotic that you would get in the market. Antibiotics never tap the root cause, so do not waste your money on them. Coming back, if you really want to make the most of this drink, drink it slowly, sip by sip. Take a while, enjoy it. Let the heating herbs cure you while running down. This will greatly increase its effectiveness. Gulping it down won't serve the purpose. And then having it slowly, make sure that you do not eat for at least an hour. Yes, it's important for maximum benefit. So it's time to move to step number 2, which is to take steam. One of the simplest yet underrated ways to open up the blocked nose to get relief from cold is to merely take steam. Invest in a steamer, if not, simply boil water in a large container. Sit on a comfy chair, cover your face and head with a towel to trap maximum steam. Take a deep breath and breathe out slowly. With every inhalation, feel the steam moving inside your respiratory tract. Steam for about 2 to 3 minutes continuously and then take rest for a minute, keeping your face inside the towel. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes. It's like pranayama. With enhanced blood circulation, toxins being pushed out, in just one steaming session, you can sense a decrease in the congestion levels. Steaming is effortless, however, there are a few precautions that you must take. First of all, make sure that you do not expose your eyes to the steam. Covering them with your hands will do. Continuous flow of steam directly on eyes can damage them. Secondly, make sure that the room fan is off while taking steam. Thirdly, after steam, do not just immediately move out. Wait for 2 minutes, let the face cool before you put off the towel. Okay, so in the morning before breakfast, you have done fairly well to tackle the cough and cold congestion within your system. Now there is one very important step left which we will execute before going to sleep at night. But then do not just focus on the remedy itself. Make sure that your lifestyle is also in tune with the remedy, at least until the problem persists. This will double the speed of your recovery. Like how? Like this.
Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero?
after you are back home, you have had your dinner, and you are about to sleep in about 30 minutes, it's time to execute step number 3, which is to apply Amrit Dhara. Amrit Dhara is an oil-like concoction made of peppermint, camphor, carom seeds, and few other Ayurvedic herbs. Patanjali also has a similar product with the name Divya Dhara. I will link them both in the description box of this video. Amrit Dhara is an age-old formula of carefully chosen 6 herbs which are especially effective in relieving the cough, cold, throat, headache, almost all sinus related issues. All you need to do is take a couple of its drops and massage the outer part of your nose, the neck and the chest so that it can directly tap the affected area. It's so strong that one should use only a small quantity of it, but highly effective. Rub it on your chest just like you would apply Vicks Vapor Rub. Actually, Vicks Vapor Rub doesn't even come close. Where Vicks Vapor Rub is artificially fragranced and has petroleum products, Amrit Dhara is 100% natural and plant-based. After applying Amrit Dhara, do one more thing which is actually an extended version of step number 2. That is, take steam. It's the same drill. Cover with towel, take a deep breath in, slow breath out, 10 to 15 minutes. You can actually put a couple of drops of Amrit Dhara to the water to further boost effect. Finally, sleep well. So that completes your 100% natural and Ayurvedic routine to root out the congestion from nose, throat and chest area. Just to recap, in the morning after you are up and fresh, make a herbal concoction. Get ready and then sip it slowly. Then take steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Have breakfast and then go to work. Then 30 minutes before going to sleep at night, massage Amrit Dhara on the outer parts of nose, on the neck and the chest. Finally, take steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Sleep on the left side. Following this holistic routine 100%, not only you will get over cold and cough problems quickly, but also you will prevent yourself from getting fever. I can assure you that from my personal experience, and ancient texts guarantee that. All the ingredients, products used in this routine are linked down in the description box so that you can buy them. I want to thank Auric for partnering with us for this video. You can now ditch the colas and opt for a healthier beverage that supports digestion, builds immunity and promises to give you glowing skin. Auric brings to you 3 drinks, one for the skin, second for the mind and third for the body. Each of these drinks is 100% plant-based, made with a concoction of powerful herbs like ashwagandha, brahmi, shank pushpi, gotu kola, aloe vera, amla, along with tender coconut water and juice concentrates. These ready-to-drink beverages have no added sweeteners, no artificial flavors, no colors, preservatives at all. 100 ml of Auric will give you just 14 calories and for sure it's among the healthiest packaged drinks in the market. The company promotes their drink as an anti-aging beverage which actually helps improve your skin, mind, body if consumed daily for 24 days. Buy Auric at 25% discount by using a special discount coupon code on a pack of 12 and 24 bottles. Link is in the description box. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If yes, then please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up. What next would you like to see in this series? Comment below. You can now support my work on Patreon so that I can bring more well-researched videos for you. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram where I regularly do Q&A sessions. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.